Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the new Stash Grenade in Animal Company. This innovative gadget is a game changer for managing your inventory on the go. It creates a temporary storage zone, allowing you to quickly deposit or retrieve items during intense missions. Understanding its mechanics will significantly improve your efficiency and strategic gameplay. We'll cover everything from acquiring it to deploying it effectively, ensuring you master this valuable tool. To get your hands on a Stash Grenade, visit the Quartermaster in the main hub. It costs 500 in-game coins, a small investment for its immense utility. Once purchased, remember to equip it in one of your available utility slots before heading out on a mission. You can carry a maximum of 3 Stash Grenades, so plan your loadout wisely to maximize your storage potential during extended operations. Deploying the Stash Grenade is straightforward. First, select it from your utility wheel, just like any other throwable item. Then, aim and throw it to your desired location. Upon impact, it will instantly deploy a temporary storage container. This container remains active for 60 seconds, giving you ample time to deposit or retrieve items. Be mindful of its short duration and plan your inventory transfers accordingly. The Stash Grenade offers numerous strategic advantages. It's perfect for quickly clearing your inventory when you find high-value loot, ensuring you don't leave anything behind. You can also use it to temporarily store mission-critical items, retrieving them when the coast is clear. During intense combat, it provides a safe, temporary drop-off point, allowing you to manage your gear without exposing yourself to unnecessary risk. Master its use to gain a significant tactical edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.